And I apologize, the light's a little, I keep it bright for me, but it doesn't mean it's great for cameras. This is where we are. Still works amazingly. However, this is still stuck, seized. I finally did watch Bob Fowler's The Saga of Sophie that he's doing right now. Oh man, he's something else. But after I watched it, I realized, duh, this is what you have to do. So I'm going to show you the bottom. The plastic bag was to keep anything from falling on the paint. Okay, so here's what we had. Is that not the most pitiful hook you've ever seen? I mean, I'm going to have to really work on that, because that is, I'm going to have to chip that away. And that's where it came from. If I can get the light where you can see. Oh, day, right there. Alright. So you had a hook there, and then you had the bar that was in here, right? Because this is where the feed dogs are. Look how pitiful that is. Wow. That's going to be fun. No, I mean it. That's going to be fun. That'll give me something to focus in on. But, I mean, this thing is just one massive bad thing. So, it was in here like this. You're going to have to use your imagination. I am not putting it back in there because I had to get some help. And so, here, let me put it up the way it was. Well, use your imagination because I'm not putting it back in there. The hook was trapped by the dog feed. The dog feed dog was trapped by this bar. Both this bolt and this bolt, we had externals on it, were seized. And I couldn't figure it out, but I finally watched Mr. Fowler and saw what he did, and he made light work of it, but I don't know if his was in this bad a shape, but there was no difference. I had it wrong. And as soon as I got that out, I brought that down. Is that, it's just horrible. That'll be fun cleaning up. And then here's the hook. Just super nasty. And it has that black stuff that's on it. So I'll have to get all this clean. Here are the bolts that go on there. I don't know about you guys, but I like to use my Chinese takeout containers for parts. And then put the lid on it, and then I got it. Of course, I have to label them. Now, my muscly husband had to try to work on getting this off. And he didn't say any swear words, but he thought them, I'm sure. Here are the two external ones. And on either side. Oh. So there you go. So I'll have to do that. And then I was trying to get this part off. And it is not wanting to come up. I was thrilled that that moved because it was pretty let's just say it felt like it was attached. I mean, it goes all the way up. And this piece, I'm going to have to just oil it to death. But anyway, look at the inside where the hook goes and the feed dogs go. I mean, it's just utterly insane how cruddy it is. Now I'm going to have to go back and also work on this to try to get this one out of there. But I was glad to know that it looked like the spring was okay. And it still moves okay. So there you go. I was just updating it for now so I'll remember where the parts go.